tutor! Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. A fox saw a box by a log. Again. A fox saw a box by a log. Your turn to read, children. The fox opens the box. Again, the fox opens the box. Your turn to read, children. The fox could not lift the box. Again, the fox could not lift the box. Your turn to read, children. Meg has a red bed. Again, Meg has a red bed. Your turn to read, children. Meg sits on the bed and reads. Again, Meg sits on the bed and reads. Your turn to read, children. The cat naps on Meg's lap. Again, the cat naps on Meg's lap. Your turn to read, children. Meg sleeps with a big smile. Again, Meg sleeps with a big smile. Your turn to read, children. Jack has a jam. Jack opens the jam. Again, Jack has a jam. Jack opens the jam. Your turn to read, children. Jack puts jam on his bun. The jam is sweet. Again, Jack puts jam on his bun. The jam is sweet. Your turn to read, children. Kim has a red hat. The red hat is on her head. Again, Kim has a red hat. The red hat is on her head. Your turn to read, children. Kim can run and play. The red hat fits well. Again, Kim can run and play. The red hat fits well. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. A fox saw a box by a log. The fox opens the box. The fox could not lift the box. Meg has a red bed. Meg sits on the bed and reads. The cat naps on Meg's lap. Meg sleeps with a big smile. Jack has a jam. Jack opens the jam. Jack puts jam on his bun. The jam is sweet. Kim has a red hat. The red hat is on her head. Kim can run and play. The red hat fits well. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.